So today we are going to start with our module 1, and as you know, in the module 1 circuit there is Kirchhoff law. One question will definitely come from either Kirchhoff current law or from Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, of 10 marks question every time. So you have to know how we can do the KVL, because this KVL will help you in solving the theorems also, right? So we'll do from the very starting. That is step number 1. Have to determine number of meshes. Number of mesh means, just imagine this circuit is your home. Okay. Now tell me, in this circuit how many rooms are there in your house? This is, yeah, 2. So 2 rooms means we'll have 2 meshes. Okay. One of the mesh is A, D, right? Another mesh is FC. So we are having 2 meshes, A, B, C, D, and another one is B, F, C. Got it? Step number 2, if 2 rooms are there in your house, then how many people can live? 2 only, right? So in this case also there are 2 people. One is I1 and another one is I2. If I3 will come, then you will say, bro, there is no space for you, right? Now step number 2 is mark current direction. We have to mark current direction. This is suppose I1 and this is suppose I2. Okay. So I1, like as you know that I1 is moving from A to B, D to. So it's your wish. Both current can move clockwise. It's your wish now in your room how you are moving, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we can take any direction. Both can move anti-clockwise, one can move clockwise and anti-clockwise, and vice versa. Yes. Okay. Now step number 3, we have to mark sign convention. Okay. As you know that current always moves from higher potential to the lower potential. Higher potential will be marked as positive, lower potential will be marked as negative. Okay. Now I1 is moving from A to B, positive to negative. I1 is moving from B, positive to negative. Now the bigger terminal is always positive and smaller terminal is always negative. Okay. Similarly, I2 also positive, negative, positive, negative, and I2 is moving from C, right? So positive here, negative here. Now as you can see that I1 is moving up to down and I2 is moving down to up. They are both moving in the opposite direction, right? If the currents are moving in the opposite direction, then they will subtract with each other. If the currents are moving in the same direction, in that case they will add with it. Okay. Now apply KVL in mesh 1. What was the mesh 1? A, B, C, D, right? Now just imagine you are standing at A, you need to move towards A only. Whatever the second sign that comes in your path, you have to take that. Like suppose you are moving from A to B. Tell me what is the second sign that comes in your path? Second sign, always second sign. So this would be -4. Current flowing over here is I1. As I told you, this is your house. This is the corner walls of your house. Yes or no? In the corner walls, there is always flow of single current, and this is the middle wall, and in the middle wall, there is a flow of double current always. Got it? Now you are moving from B to, what is the second sign that comes in your path? minus resistance is how much? 6. Current is how much? I1 minus I2, as this is branch, and in the middle branch there is flow of single, in the middle branch there is a flow of double current, right? Nothing is there. Way, then second sign is plus, 10 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the first mesh equation. Similarly, make the second mesh equation by your own. So these are the two mesh equations. Mesh equation. You can solve it in the calculator. Get the value for I1 and do you know all these equation in the calculator? For this case, minus equal to, then we'll have minus I2, I2 minus, then we'll have minus 15. Okay. Now you can solve it through calculator. Next one, question based on current source. Diagram. Just imagine that current source is your enemy. Now tell me what you will do with your enemy. Imagine that your enemy, right? So what you will do? Kill, want to kill them, right? Or if you don't want, will be, if you won't be able to kill it, then you will avoid the path where your sheep, right? So you are moving from A, then you see enemies. Won't go through this path. You'll choose the longer path, but don't go through the path where your enemy is present, right? So technically this is known as super mesh. Technically this is known as super mesh. Minus 4I1 6 plus 10 is equal to 0. This first equation. Another equation will come directly the current. Now we have to see that this current source is in the middle branch or in the corner branch. The middle branch, and in the middle branch there is a flow of single current or double current. Double. The middle branch there is flow of double current. From this side I1 is flowing and from this side I2 is, right? Now I1 direction and 5 ampere direction is same or opposite? Opposite. Minus I1. Now I2 direction and 5 ampere direction is same or opposite? Is same. Let's move like this. We have to see with respect to the currents. So two variable equation, then we'll do it. Okay.